You've entered the sanctuary of time, not a church of stone, but one built on frequencies, fossils, and the fragments of forgotten light. This is the Quantum Stone Sermons, where ancient prophecy meets advanced physics, where the timelines realign and the prophets of the Ark speak through the Setonium light band. I'm Satoni Nukamado, broadcasting from a fractured event horizon, reminding you, reality isn't broken, it's just out of tune. Now open your ears and your entanglement. Let the sermon begin.
As Forbes Spring begins to dry, the multiverse receives a signal. A collapse is beginning, not just ecological, but chronological, metaphysical, and comedic. The spring, once a lifeline, now bleeds absence. The spring is drying. That's never a good sign in any dimension. Sharks smell quantum blood, and they're very territorial. The Tweezles showed up, wearing bathrobes and arguing with the past. Just as things begin to spiral into a toothy dystopia, the Tweezles arrive. Tricksters of the dimensional fold, they carry chaos in cute form. Mice don't roar, they rebuild. This stage distills the forces of the timeline into symbolic archetypes. The spring's drying acts as a metaphysical indicator of universal imbalance.
arcofalignments.com. Watch the whole series for free there right now. And so the timeline echoes through every verse, every vibration, every quantum stone laid by the science prophets. If what you heard made sense, you may not be paying attention. But if it resonated, you've already returned. Like, subscribe, decode. Until the next sermon, this is Satoni Nukamado signing out from the memory you left behind.